Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are well. And in this video, I'm going to break down what's going on market and how we can plan the trades according to this market. So let's get begin. In daily time frame, we can see market is in the one of the demand level, or you can but this demand level, but there is also lots of liquidities. Okay, so in 4 hour we can see market is still bearish. Okay, so if you want to trade in for this trend or for a swing trade, you have to wait for breakout of these zones, do some retracement, create a demand zone, then go upside. Okay, you have to wait for breakout of these zones, okay, especially in 4 hour. Okay, this is for BTC. And as per swing trades, let's talk about what's going on in short term and how we can do plan scalp. So if we see in short term, we can see lots of this liquidity has been done, but these are also liquidities is pending. These are all liquidities still pending. Okay, so if you find any opportunity for short trade, like this is a supply level, and if you find any opportunity for this short trade, then go downside because liquidity is been done. So no upside trade until it's break these zones, even in a scalp purpose. So this is for BTC. Let's talk about Ethereum. What's going on Ethereum in daily time frame? We can see this is a demand zone. This liquidity has been done as like BTC. Okay, in 4 hour we can see this liquidity has been also swept. Let me show you. This is all liquidity has been swept. If we see in 4 hour, in 1 hour trying to go upside, but still liquidity is pending. Okay, in shorter time frame, if we see liquidity is still pending, it's trying to go upside, but you have to wait. Like if it's break this level, then do some retracement, then go upside. If it doesn't happen like this, then you have to wait for come to this supply level, do some retracement, then go downside, target these liquidities and this demand zone. Okay, this is for Ethereum. Let's talk about what's going on gold. Okay, let's talk about what's going on gold. Let me remove all these things. Okay, if we see in daily time frame, we can see this is a demand zone. In daily time frame, we can see this is a demand zone. And in 4 hour, if we see in 4 hour, this is also a demand zone. Okay, in 1 hour, we can see this liquidity is gone. In 30 minutes, no, there is not clear demand zone. In 15 minutes, let's see, not a clear demand zone. In 5 minutes, we have a demand zone. Like this is a demand zone. Okay, this is a demand zone. If market comes this level, do some little bit of retracement in like 1 minute, then go upside. Without retracement, don't go upside from here also, because there is also demand zone in 1 hour time frame. But you can plan for if its structure is fine, because liquidity sweep has been already done. Okay, it can go upside from this level, but you have to wait for confirmation. Okay, no confirmation, no trade. Let's talk about US oil. Let me remove. If we see in US oil, this is the levels where market is trying to go upside. I already told you in my previous videos. This is demand zone where market is trying to go upside. In 4 hours time frame, let me zoom in. In 4 hours time frame, we can see this is a demand zone where market is trying to go upside. In 1 hour time frame, we can see break of structure. Right now it's trying to go upside, but this is an untouched demand zone. I already marked these zones. Let me show you. Like if it's come this level, then go upside in US oil. Okay, and target all liquidities is upside. Lots of liquidity is upside. Let's talk about CU. In CU, we can see this is liquidity sweep has been done. in 4 hour. I already marked all these ones. Okay, breakup structure has been done, but lots of liquidities is down there, just like I marked these zones, and lots of liquidities upside also. And this is a untouched demand zone. Market can come here. This is also a demand zone, but this zone is mitigated, so I marked these zones. Okay, if it comes here, do some retracement, just like I saw this chart, then go upside. Without retracement or confirmation, don't go upside. Confirmation is important in CU. Let's talk about ZZ. What's going on ZZ? I already marked all those ones. Okay, in daily time frame, we can see market is bullish. Market is bullish and trying to go these supply levels, but this is also supply level where market can retrace and come for retracement trade. Okay, so we can see in 4 hour time frame, these are all liquidity sweep has been done. I was planning from this zone, but market doesn't come here, so it's just went up just like this, you can see. And this is the supply levels, and in 1 hour we can see breakup structure. As a structure wise, we can plan for short strike trades and target these all liquidities, but you have to wait, because you can see there is not that much clear supply level where we can enter, so market just can go upside without any confirmation. So you have to wait. You have to wait for this. If it's do some like this, then go downside. Otherwise, no trades, because market is bullish and upside. There is also lots of liquidities is upside. If you see any confirmations, then you can plan for short side trades. Let's talk about you say yes. You say is same as like ZZ. So market is trying to go upside. This is the supply levels in daily time frame. In 4 hour time frame, we can see market is going from these levels and these levels. I was planning from here, but this level is broke and liquidity sweeps. So lots of liquidities is upside here. Not that much clear. Ignore UJ. So let's talk about US30. If we see in daily time frame, US30 is also bullish. In 4 hour time frame, this is I already marked this ones. 4 hour time frame, we can see this is a demand zone. Okay, market can come here. Market already touched these zones, but let's see in 1 hour time frame, is it confirm? In 1 hour time frame, we can see these are the liquidity sweep has been done. Okay, so this is also demand zone. This is also demand zone, liquidity sweep, but we can see also the breakup structure. Breakup structure, I already marked this one. This is for liquidity. In 15 minutes, we can see this is the demand zone. If market do come here and do retracement, then go upside. Otherwise, you have to wait for come these levels and do some retracement. Okay, otherwise you have to wait for these levels, then go upside. But confirmation is really important. I think I told all of them. Okay, this is for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye bye.